From the state of Maharashtra, it seems like all the allies in the Mahayuti alliance are not speaking in one tone. It is Ajit Pawar who's now taken on UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Ajit Pawar has said, Batenge won't work in Maharashtra. Katenge may work in North India. Maharashtra is a land of seals and is a land of Ambedkar. So this is Ajit Pawar who's now taken on Yogi Adityanath. It was the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who had given the war cry, Batenge to Katenge. And with regards to this, it is ally Ajit Pawar who's now saying that Katenge may work in North India, but in Maharashtra, Katenge will not work. Ajit Pawar also said, Batenge will not work in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a land of seals. Maharashtra is the land of B.R. Ambedkar. So this is one of the crucial allies, and not just an ally. Ajit Pawar is the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra, and now he is raising fingers at the war cry that has been given by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath for the state of Maharashtra. Let's listen into what Ajit Pawar has said.
अरे आम्ही तुमच्या पाठीचे आहोत ना, तुम्ही का काळजी करता? कुणी काही बोललं तर त्या सगळ्याचं आम्ही समर्थन करत नाही. कुणी म्हणलं म्हणजे बटेंगे कटेंगे अजिबात चालणार नाही महाराष्ट्रात. ते तिकडे नॉर्थ मध्ये, महाराष्ट्रात नाही. महाराष्ट्र हा साधू संतांचा महाराष्ट्र आहे, शिवप्रेमींचा महाराष्ट्र आहे, शाहू फुले आंबेडकरांचा महाराष्ट्र आहे. त्यांची शिकवण आमच्या रक्तामध्ये बिनलेली आहे. त्यामुळे आम्ही त्याच रस्त्याने पुढे जाऊ.
क्यों प्रभु राम लला के भव्य मंदिर को तोड़ करके आक्रांताओं ने एक गुलामी का ढांचा खड़ा कर दिया था? कारण एक ही है और निवारण भी एक ही है. बंटे थे इसलिए कटे थे. और मैं फिर आपसे कहूंगा, बंटिए मत, एकजुट होकर के विकास और सुरक्षा के इस माहौल में आगे बढ़िए.
My colleague Vidya is now joining me on the story. Vidya, we have seen over the past 48 hours, this is the second time that the Deputy Chief Minister of the state of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, is making a statement which is not in line with what the Mahayuti has been saying over the past many days.
Well, if you look at the constitution of the fact that the alliance partners are together, I mean, both BJP and the Eknath Shinde faction of Shiv Sena are actually quite aligned to the ideology of the right wing. But NCP's Ajit Pawar faction was not, and that's one of the reasons why questions have always been raised as to when they ask as to why Uddhav Thackeray is aligning with Congress and the NCP, whose ideology is certainly very different from that of their own. Then people do point fingers at their own alliance to say, look at Ajit Pawar, he is not aligning with your own ideology. So, of course, this is something that has now really come in the forefront, with Ajit Pawar very categorically saying that this kind of sloganeering will not work in Maharashtra. And it's not just Ajit Pawar now. In fact, there are other BJP leaders also. Say, for example, it is being reported that, Pankaja Munde has also, who's from Beed, she has also said that, this kind of sloganeering will not work in Maharashtra, where if people do not like things like batenge, katenge and ek hai to anek hai, safe hai, these kind of sloganeering will not work, is what she has also emphasized on.
Please stay on with me. We've got some more news coming in from the state of war, Maharashtra now. Now, we have seen how Uddhav mouthpiece Samna has slammed Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Samna in its editorial has said words like Aurangzeb, Ek hai to safe hai, these are communal in nature, and this kind of language will not work in the state of Maharashtra. It is Samna, which has also in the editorial said that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party that has lowered the political discourse, and it is only BJP which is trying to polarize and make sure that there is communal flavor which is given to the elections which will take place in the state of Maharashtra on the 20th of November. My colleague Vidya is still with me on the story. Vidya, now we are seeing it's not just Ajit Pawar on one side. We are also seeing Uddhav Thackeray and Samna, which is the mouthpiece of Shiv Sena, has slammed Yogi Adityanath. And time and again they have been saying that the political discourse is being lowered and communal flavor is being given to the campaigning. And this is what Ajit Pawar has also said. Uddhav Thackre's mouthpiece now also saying the same.
Well, Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction has always been attacking the BJP. Even when, if you remember, in the last time when they were in alliance with the BJP, they were actually acting as the opposition during the before their tenure ended in 2019. And in 2019, when the elections happened, they were, of course, in different factions, different parties. But remember, you have to look at it from the fact that the editorial also states that the reason why this is being done is to divert the attention from the main core issues that should be the narrative of the election, which is unemployment, which is the fact that there is the cost of living in has actually gone up, and it's almost everything is very costly now. People cannot access basic necessities, which is very costly now, and that's the core of what the editorial is talking about as to why this is being said, is to make, to grab the attention away from the core issues that really needs to be talked about.
Okay, please stay on with me. We are now seeing how statements have been made in the state of Maharashtra. On one side, we have seen how Uddhav Thackeray in a lot of interviews and even in rallies has been saying that it is the Bharatiya Janata Party which is trying to make sure that there is a communal flavor